Happy Friday, guys, and this is the final Friday before Christmas, so it only feels right to give you a break from me rambling about COVID and Brexit. We want to put all that behind us, and I'm going to be going through as you can tell, a Christmas seasonal trend. It's known as the Santa Claus Rally. It creates opportunities every year, and I'm going to be telling you what it is and what's happened in previous years, and if we could have it this year as well. So enjoy. So then, guys, what is the Santa Claus Rally? So it's a theory that goes back all the way to the 1970s, and the Stock Traders Almanac, they published an article, and they said that in the last 5 days of the year and in the first 2 of the next year, there will be a rally in the stock market. And there have been so many theories even to this day as to try and explain why this may happen. And number one is that investors, they're expecting a strong January. It's known as the January effect. It's always optimism around next year is going to be better, next year is going to be the year. Number two is that the volume in the markets is always thin in December. It's not a great trading time. People are going on vacation normally, and this is causing a natural increase in the markets as the big players take their profits for the year and ready to get started in the following year. Is it real? Well, historic data does not provide any guarantee for future performance. However, the S&P 500 has seen gains around 75% of the time during the Santa Claus Rally, and that's since 1950. And guys, seasonal cyclical trends, they are real, they can be strong, and they are known to be reliable as well. So it's something to look out for. And I've got the S&P 500 chart in front of me here, and let's have a look at the last couple of years to see if there was any form of Santa Claus Rally, as they call it. So I'm scrolling back. I've already highlighted it for you. It's here. This is the 2019 rally, or it wasn't much of a rally, to be fair. It from 3250 up to 3258. There wasn't much of a rally. It's an increase, so it would go down in history as an increase. Let's have a look at 2018. 2018, a lot better. There was a nice rally in 2018. Is it because of this dip, or is it because of the Santa Claus Rally? Who knows? Probably a mixture of both. But yeah, we had a nice rally here in the S&P in 2018. Let's have a look at the FTSE. This is the FTSE now. Scroll back. 2019, again, not really much going on there. 2018 again, we had a bit of a rally. It seemed to be a better year for this theory. I won't go back through all the years, but because the stats are out there, it is 75% for the S&P. I'm not sure what it is for the FTSE, but I guess the question that you'll be asking is, what's it going to be this year? I mean, your guess is as good as mine in a way, but there are some factors. We have to look at the theories behind why it could happen. So number one, are investors expecting a strong January? Well, there is hope around the vaccine that we can start to defeat the virus. And even forgetting all of that, these markets have been artificially pumped by the likes of the Federal Reserve and the ECB. And according to the markets, coronavirus was gone by September. We're in a really artificially pumped situation at the moment. And this constant support, constant flooding of money into the markets may mean we forget about the factors bringing the market down. The theory that investors are off on vacation seems unlikely with obvious events. And I'm looking at how strong, if I go to the monthly chart for the FTSE, I'm looking at how strong November was. And I'm thinking, are conditions started to be overbought? Are we looking at a downtrend, as in just a pullback? Now, if I go to the monthly for the S&P, again, a really, really strong November. This is the candle here. Again, is a pullback likely? I think so. However, whatever the outcome, I think the uncertainty around the economy at the moment will mean any positive or negative news
surrounding recent events are likely to drown out these seasonal factors. But it's something, if you're not trading, it's something fun to look out for. Whatever the outcome, I'll be putting the outcome in the Telegram channel, the free Telegram Kenzen channel, which you can join for free, which is in my link tree in my bio. Please also like and subscribe to our YouTube channel to see more videos like this from the likes of Ken, David Bell, aka Macrodesiac, and myself. But now feels like a great time to wish everyone a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. I really am looking forward to coming back in 2021 to bring more value to you guys. Cheers.